What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, I have Alex from AM Crypto. If you don't follow him, you got the link down below on his YouTube channel. He also does technical analysis on Bitcoin. So make sure to check him out. It's always good to have another point of view on the markets from another trader and technical analyst. Alex, how are you doing today, my man?
I'm doing amazing. And you?
I'm doing absolutely fantastic. So very excited to see what is going to happen with Bitcoin. A lot of analysts saying, we're going down. A lot of them are saying we're going up. So it's like a 50-50. So yeah, I want to know your perspective on the Bitcoin market. So if you don't mind, can we do some technical analysis, Alex?
Yes, definitely. So I am a little bit on the edge, so it could go either way. But I'm actually tending to the more bullish case here. So we can definitely see here that we have clear support right now around the $38,600 to $39,000 area. So we are basically playing jumping rope here with this area right now. So and especially with this breakdown that we saw here today, but we got directly a bounce from the $37,700 area back up into this area. So and now we are trying to find here again a foothold so that we can move here into higher levels. So in the next 12 hours, in my opinion, are really crucial for Bitcoin to see in which direction we are going. But not based here on the 4-hourly chart. For this, I actually have to go here to a 12-hourly chart. And here on a 12-hourly chart, you can see already here on a stochastic RSI, we are really close to get here a bullish crossover where the trend line goes over the signal line. So, and that is indicating that we're getting a buy signal. So, and if we are getting this buy signal, then obviously we will also see here with this candle that we are forming here right now, an upwards move here in the price action. So, and right now it actually looks like it that we will get this, especially if the price will now in the next, let's say 4 hours settle and reset on the smaller time frames. And then also based on stochastic RSI, because there we are slightly overbought right now. So we have to come down, cool down on the lower time frames. Once the reset is in, we should see in the following 8 hours then a push to the upside. And yeah, that will be then obviously the sign that we have waited for now in the last couple of weeks, that we are finally seeing here trend reversal. On a 12-hourly chart, we can also see that we have formed here a low point, also here a lower low point. So, and here that is potentially the next low point. So we have then formed here a triple bottom pattern. And the target of this triple bottom pattern is here all the way up to $51,100, $200 approximately.
All right. So yeah, I'm bullish in the immediate short term as well. I do think that, this kind of triple bottom that you got on the chart, you can signal here that you are kind of creating slightly higher lows with the bottoms. And it's, it looks like that Bitcoin is ready to have that push to the upside. So that is pretty cool to see. So what would be the bearish case scenario in your opinion?
So the bearish case scenario would be, I think that for that we can go into the weekly chart. Yes, so there I don't need the stochastic RSI. So the bearish scenario would be if Bitcoin would first of all break here this upward sloping orange trend line, which is giving us support right now, and also lose here this downwards trending support line. So if we break both lines and go here underneath both of them, so then we would most likely come down here to this red upward sloping support line and get here into this green box area. So which was support here many times before. So here in 2021, we came 4 times actually down here into this area, and every time we got heavily bought back up here and bounce to the upside, as we can see here. And also when we came later the same year in May back down here, every time we saw a massive wicks in this area. So I would say we will see a similar scenario if we would lose both of these support lines and the price action would get here into lower levels. we most likely will touch here the top of the screen range and see from there then a reversal back to the upside. So it would be obviously super, super bearish if we just fall through this and then start trading and going sideways just under this support zone, which will then obviously flip into resistance, and then we will most likely head back to around $20,000.
Yeah, we don't want to see that, right? Or maybe we
No.
do to accumulate more, right? But
but I'm heavily doubting that this is going to be the case, because all the big institutions, they bought around the $30,000 mark. They don't want to get into a loss. They would just add more to their position to keep the price afloat.
Yeah, this is something I wanted to point out, that most of like billionaires such as Michael Saylor and some other institutions,
Tesla,
exactly, have been starting to buy up at that low $30,000 range. So it wouldn't make sense to see it below that. I think if we do dip down below $30,000, it would be relatively fast, because a lot of interest of accumulating BTC at those lower levels. So yeah.
Even now. So for example, when you look on the MVVPR, so that is the
volume profile.
the index. So no, not the volume profile. It actually shows you the ratio of net position realization of profit. So and every time when it is close to 1, so then there is normally happening a capitulation event, and then the price is reversing back to the upside, sometimes without capitulation, already going back up. So, and we are right now really, really close to just 1. You know, we are at 1.4, 1.5, you know, right now. So, and that is really, really close already. And normally we see either capitulation, where we go then slightly under 1, but come the next day directly back up and have then that reversal, or we see it already at these levels where we are right now. So we are really, really close to actually to the bottom, in my opinion.
I've seen this indicator before that shows you like a lot of people are in a loss already, people that have been buying Bitcoin at above $40,000, $50,000. So once, you know, a lot of people are in a loss, you know, it's a sign of, you know, potentially you're clear near the bottom, right?
Yeah, exactly. So when nobody's selling anymore, the price has to go back up.
All right, Alex. Well, thank you for joining the channel. Anything else you want to say to my community?
Yeah, it was a pleasure to be back on here. It was now quite a while that we did not do this, you know. So I'm happy about this. I hope we can get this rolling again. And everybody's welcome also to join my channel. AM Crypto, that's the name, so you can subscribe to my channel. Would highly appreciate that. And we will see then you definitely also on my channel.
Absolutely. Well, thank you. You know the deal, guys. It's down below, the link in the description for Alex's YouTube channel. Check him out. He also does analysis almost every single day, right? Definitely a few times
every day.
So thank you, Alex, and I will see you very, very soon.
Yes, thank you. See you. Bye.